All right, so here's a look at this engraving set. Now, this is going to be perfect for anyone that is a beginner trying to get into engraving. It's going to come with all these different bits right here. You can see there's a bunch of different types. There's going to be a ball tip. There's going to be a sharp tip. There's so many different options on here. So regardless of if you are a beginner or if you're a little bit more advanced, you've got a ton of options. Now this is what the actual engraver looks like. You can see to turn it on, you're just going to press the button and it's automatically going to start at number 3, which is going to be the highest intensity. You can press it down to level 1 and all the way back down to off. This is also going to display the battery on it as well. And let's go ahead and get into using it and I'll show you how it works. All right, so these are all the pieces that it comes with. So these are going to be like little sample pieces that you could test it out on. You can see that you got like a plasticky piece here, you've got a wooden piece here, and then a couple other of sample pieces. So I went ahead and I just put kind of like a basic bit on here, which is just going to be a small round bit. It's a little hard to see because it's so tiny, but it's also going to come with this stencil kit as well, which again is more so just for beginners to kind of play around with and test out on these sample pieces. You can go ahead and utilize this on whatever you want to engrave on, but this is great to kind of get started and just play around with as soon as you pick up the kit. So let's go ahead and play around with it here. I've got the wooden piece. Actually, let's go ahead and try this piece right here. So I'm going to clean it off. And let's go with, I'll do it upside down so you guys can see it better. Let's go with, I don't know, let's go number 3 right here. So you're just going to hold this down. You're going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on level 2. And then you can kind of just follow the stencil. Takes a minute to get the hang of because you're kind of feeling this move around a bit. But after you watch a couple YouTube tutorials, you could get a good idea on how well it works. So let's go ahead and take a look. And there we go. We got a number 3. Came out pretty clean. That was the first time me doing that, number 3. So let's try another one. Let's go with something more of a design. Let's go with this little flower down here. And you can see it's kind of larger. So I could probably use a larger bit for this, but I'm going to stick with this one. And I'm really just putting a little light pressure on it. It's pretty easy to utilize. When you get into like a crevices like this, you can kind of just tap down on it. Okay, now let's do this other flower. You're kind of feeling it pull one way because this is going to spin in one direction. So you kind of just push down, you let it pull. And let's see how our flower came out. Little jagged, probably needs a little bit of work over here on this smaller flower, but still pretty cool. Again, a great kit if you're going to be a beginner trying to get into engraving. I like the fact that they made this have a good weight to it. So it's not going to be too light. It's actually going to sit in your hand nicely. You could also see that there's going to be a rubberized grip right here as well. So if I'm pressing down on this grip, it's like a pencil grip. They kind of recommend you utilizing it as a pencil. So having that grip on there is great. It's also good for both hands, right? So if you're left-handed or right-handed, it's not going to be weirdly fitted just to a right-handed person. This can also work if you're left-handed. Down here at the bottom, this is going to be the charging port. It will come with a charger. It's just going to be a basic USB Type-C, easy to charge. This engraver is great for utilizing on all different types of material. Like we just seen, I did this on kind of like a plastic, almost like a card material. We've got wood. You've got even like leather. So we could do it on leather. Let's go ahead and test it out on the leather. I feel like this is a pretty cool material to engrave on. So let me just go ahead. I'm going to write. I'll just do like a J. And you can see the more I press down on it, the more thick the line's going to get. And it does get more smooth when you go over it a couple of times, just because you have a bit more space to create whatever it is you're engraving. Okay, there we go. Let's clean it off. Leather's a little bit more difficult material to work on for sure, but you can see once I start to clean it off, it's starting to become a bit more clear. So really cool engraving kit. I wanted to grab this and just start learning how to engrave. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for an engraving kit, I would definitely recommend picking this one up and trying it out.